you know you want a QuietCool. You know you need a QuietCool. But do you know how much attic venting you have? Hello, I'm Bob Hancock, general contractor and owner of bobsecofans.com, your QuietCool fan specialist. It's critical that you know how much attic venting you have before installing your whole house fan. Whole house fans move an enormous amount of air, and without adequate ventilation for that air to move out of the attic, their performance can be severely compromised and your investment wasted. Most houses have enough attic venting, but in my experience, about 30% do not. Unfortunately, not all whole house fan installation companies will have an honest conversation with you about this, or are equipped to install additional venting if you need it. Bob's EcoFans is. We've installed hundreds and hundreds of attic vents of all kinds: turbine, dormer, and O'Hagan roof vents, ridge vents, gable vents, eave vents, soffit vents, and more. When you call me, I'll be happy to help you figure out how much attic venting you need right over the phone and with no obligation. You can also use the venting calculator on our website at bobsecofans.com. It would be a pleasure to provide you with excellent service. Call now or visit our website.